Today in this video, we are going to learn how to add realistic product shadow using AI with Gemini. This is our original product photo. Go to Gemini AI and upload your product image. Now type this instruction. Give me a prompt for the product, including shadow, a matching perfume background, product retouching. Don't generate image here. Then click submit. Gemini will generate a detailed prompt for the design. Now simply copy that prompt. Next, open a new chat in Gemini. Upload the same product photo again. And type generate design. And paste the prompt you copied. Click submit. Wait a few seconds. And there you go. Your final product design with a realistic shadow and background is ready. And that's how you can easily create professional product design using AI. Thanks for watching the video.